I'm gonna show you how to have your vehicle to automatically start every 3 hours, especially in the cold weather. So first thing you wanna do is put your key in the ignition and turn it on, and then turn it back off. And once you turn it off, you can leave the key in or just pull it out and locate your valet button, which mine is located on the windshield. And you press and hold it. And while you're holding that valet button, you want to hit your start button on your remote 4 times. Once you do that, you will hear 2 chirps and the parking lights will blink 4 times. Once they stop blinking, release the valet button. And once you release the valet button, it have been set, so it's going to start every 3 hours for the next 48 hours. And if you want to exit this mode, the only thing you will have to do is just put the key back into the ignition and turn it on. Or you can use your remote and use the automatic start feature to turn it off. So I'm gonna walk you through this one more time. First, you put your key in and you turn it on, and then you turn it back off. Then you locate your valet button, which mine is located on the windshield. You press and hold it. Don't let it loose. Just keep it pressed in, and at the same time hit the start button 4 times. Once you hit it 4 times, you will hear 2 chirps and the lights will blink 4 times. Once the lights stop blinking, release the button and it's all set. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Hit the button. Thank you.